The real estate market refers to the buying, selling, and leasing of properties, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties. It plays a significant role in the economy and can be influenced by various factors, such as economic conditions, population growth, interest rates, government policies, and housing demand and supply. Here are some key points about the real estate market. Residential real estate. This includes properties such as houses, apartments, condos, and townhouses. The residential market's performance is often closely tied to factors like employment rates, mortgage rates, and consumer confidence. Commercial real estate. Commercial properties encompass office buildings, retail spaces, warehouses, and hotels. The performance of commercial real estate is influenced by factors like business growth, vacancy rates, and overall economic health. Industrial real estate. Industrial properties are used for manufacturing, distribution, and storage purposes. Factors like industrial production, logistics, and trade influence this segment. Market cycles. Real estate markets tend to go through cycles of expansion and contraction, which can have varying impacts on property prices and investment opportunities. Supply and demand. The balance between the number of properties available for sale and the number of buyers looking to purchase them plays a crucial role in determining property prices. Interest rates. Mortgage interest rates affect the affordability of housing and can influence